Welcome to Falkirk Home, a near 4,000 square foot 19th century home built by Gavin Fleming, a member of Sir John A. Macdonald's first Canadian Parliament. This exceptional 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is in wonderful condition, offering 10-foot ceilings, large principal rooms, heated slate flooring, large picture windows, and a towering stone wood-burning fireplace. It has many of the original finishes, including the main entrance doors, as well as interior and exterior woodwork. The recent addition of a stunning gathering room and oversized double-car garage that keeps with the original architecture and stonework. The opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Canadian history is here for you. Contact us at Campbell & Company Real Estate.